All right, let's go back to Flash. And you'll notice, see, that stage, wherever it's not on the stage, it just disappears on your animation. Now, there are some other animation techniques we can do with the motion tween. Let me just show you a few on a new animation. File new. This one's going to be more simple, but I want to show you the options you have. I'm going to use what's called the Polystar tool. I'm going to create a polygon. And I'm going to convert my own graphic into a symbol. Convert to symbol. We'll call it a pentagon. Okay, now that's a symbol. I'm going to add my motion tween, create motion tween. And let's show you some of the things that we can do. I get my free transform. I can expand it nice and large. Hit enter. And we can see it expand as we go. Not only that, but I can rotate it too. Hit enter, and it rotates as it expands. We can, watch what we can do, we can even flip it. This is all using the free transform tool. Hit enter, and you see how it flips around? It's pretty cool how it can do this. And there's even more. So with free transform, we can do a lot of stuff. But watch this. Every symbol has a set of properties. I want to focus your attention on here. We have the position and the size. We can actually type in a number, like we could put x0 or x100, and it actually repositions it. Click it again, hit enter. So we can actually hand type in all these numbers here. We also have a color effect. We can change its brightness. And notice how the brightness changes as we go. Click on my symbol. I'm going to get this tool back here. Back at this edge. Click down here. Here's an interesting one called alpha. Change alpha to 0 and the image disappears. So watch this. See how it goes? As it goes, it disappears. That's the alpha transparency. You got to select the symbol, go to properties, choose color effect alpha 0, or somewhere in between. You can go on looping. So we can have it play once. We can have it loop. We can do a lot of other things here. Okay, when you're ready to go, you're going to want to save your changes. Give it a name. Sample motion tween. Save my changes, and the last thing you want to do is publish it. Click publish. When you're done publishing it, what that's going to do is it's going to create some files. Okay, sample motion tween. Take a look. We have an HTML file. That's the web page. We have a shockwave file. That's our actual animation. And we have this FLA file. If I double-click sample motion tween, I can now see my animation. Wait for it. And it's a looping animation. Okay, let's take a look at the size here. This is the actual animation. Look at that. It's not even 1K in file size. It says it's 0 bytes. It's got to be more than that. Let's double check. Okay, it's actually 1.1K. That whole animation is 1K. This is the file we use to edit it, the FLA. So just note, in order to get the shockwave and the HTML, you have to publish it. So stay tuned for more of my series on Flash animations.